Hi, good day. This is Edgardo Capillanes channel. Reports on COVID-19 update in the Philippines as of May 7, 2021. The objectives of the reports are the following. Number 1, create public awareness. Number 2, disseminate information. Number 3, encourage the public to continue follow the minimum health safety standards or protocols, such as wearing of face mask, wearing of face shield, washing of hands, and physical distancing. And number 4, request the public to allow, I will repeat, request the public to allow themselves to be vaccinated. Before I continue with the reports, I would like to thank to those who were able to subscribe our channel, and to those who would like to subscribe, please do so. Click the bell, like, and share this video to others. Then we go to COVID-19 additional cases in the Philippines on May 7, 2021. There are 3 items being enumerated in this part of the report. 1, additional positive cases, 7,733. Additional recovered cases, 4,227. And additional died cases, 108. Of course, the source of this information were coming from the Department of Health, Republic of the Philippines. Then we go to COVID-19 total cases in the Philippines as of May 7, 2021. We can directly mention the total cases as of May 7, 2021 as 1,087,885. In the matrix, you can see it in the lowest line. In the lowest line. And this number can be broken down into 3 components. We have total recovered cases, 1,03,160, which is equivalent to 92.21% of the total cases. The second component, the total died cases, 18,099, which is equivalent to 1.66% of the total. And finally, total active cases, 66,626 or 6.13%. And you can see it in the lower metrics of our report. And these metrics now can be considered as the statistical analysis for COVID-19 total cases in the Philippines as of May 7, 2021. Before we end with our report today, once again I would like to invite to subscribe our channel, click the bell, like, and share this video to others. Then we go to the last part of our report, which is findings. Basing on the statistical analysis of COVID-19 total cases in the Philippines, it reveals that there were 92.21% of the total cases were able to recover, meaning they survived the COVID-19. 1.66% of the total cases were not able to survive. They died. They lost their lives. And 6.13% are still active, meaning these are victims of COVID-19 which can be seen in the public and private hospitals, in the clinics, and other government and private facilities which can be seen in cities, provinces within the Philippines. But take note that out of these active cases, 92.21% can survive the disease. Only 1.66% has a possibility to lose their lives. Thanks for watching again. That's the end of our report for this moment.